um, I thought IPCC report or the UN report on climate change is out, and which basically, if broadly saying, which is saying that our Mother Earth is already is on fire. The salient features of this report by the UN on climate change is that in the next 20 years we will cross the threshold limit of 1.5 degrees temperature. The UN's target that it should not go past that. In 2 million years, the carbon dioxide level on Earth has never been higher. Then third thing is there are many things which have become irreversible, and fourth very important thing is that the sea level is rising. It has become irreversible, and so coming to all these crises which already has happened and which is going to get worse, because even if we presume that greenhouse gases emissions become neutral, the reversal of this will take thousands of years to get any satisfactory results. So things are alarming, and the solution is simple. Here is a 2 years completed no-till farm of my son. Bought this less than 1 acre of farm, 2/3 of an acre, 2 years back in Ramnagar in Purnia, where we have established a multi-layer farm, no-till farm, no poison farm, including that of organic kind. None of it is needed. Have faith on Mother Nature and grow things together. The top layer here we see is moringa, and which has tiny leaves which allows the sunlight to filter. And we would always see that it is interspersed with vetiver. It's a magnificent 100-year of age. I mean, it survives for hundreds of years. A perennial grass which does 15 kg of carbon sequestration per square meter. So friends, in 2-year completed farm, in its 3rd year, is doing nothing less than 1 lakh kg of carbon sink inside the soil every year, year after year. So the temperature of this farm in the year 1 comes down by 2 degrees. Here is a magnificent example of vetiver, more than 2 years old. You do the shavings, and the roots go deeper, and this is doing 15 kg of carbon sequestration. So a simple humble grass can do enormous change. They multiply 10 times every year. They purify water. This area in eastern part of the country, Purnia in Bihar, it witnessed Amphan after effect. It also witnessed cyclone of this year, because weather cycles are changing every year. The duration of rains are intense, and the dry region is prolonged, and the only thing which can save from the vagaries of nature is a forest. A food forest survives. So, and the soil is the best soil. There is no expenditure. Grow them all at one time. Cover the soil with green. And suddenly, as I said, temperature in the year 1 is lower by 2 degrees. And with passage of time, it keeps increasing. From the year 1, you have 5 layers of farm, pink pepper, your moringa, your citrus, Gandharaj lemon, your guavas, your vetiver, your black turmeric. I'll show that later. This is the Lakadong turmeric. Inside we also have plenty of papayas, bananas. Subabul, very good for the fixing of nitrogen. We also have surpankha, extremely medicinal plant, good fodder. Vetiver is also a good fodder. And so we, as I popularly say, that it is for the trees and the bees, with the help of that farming that we do. It's the only solution for the IPCC report. Practice this or perish is what I say, because enormous amount of carbon sink will happen, and whatever we produce here, as in our scriptures, this is food is medicine. There are 17 cancer patients who have been cured with the black turmeric that is highest in curcumin content and very high camphor content. It treats cancer, it is anti-tumor. Most cancer patients, they fear in their lives that it would recur. And if you are having this as a preventive, you would not, this is one of the best anti-tumor, anti-cancer turmeric. Same goes for the Lakadong turmeric, very high curcumin content. We also have insulin plants. We have some of these Boston fern, they tell you the moisture inside the soil. And we would just take you to the black turmeric area. More than 2 years old, it is so medicinal. They say 10% of India is going to get cancer in their lifetime. We are talking a number of 13 crores. So if one person gets cancer in the family, everybody gets involved. So 50 crore people would be struggling against cancer in our country. So friends, I just retired last month as Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax in Mumbai. This is the mission in my life. This is the food forest, multi-layer, permanent multi-layer food forest. This upper section of our, space is vacant. Let's occupy that. And together we can grow so many things with so much of biodiversity and such wonderful species like vetiver, moringa, Gandharaj lemon. Again, it turns your body alkaline, very good for gut bacteria. The pink pepper that we have has flowers when bees don't get food. So we also have apiary. So the bees are there, boxes are here, and currently we are producing 12,000 kg of moringa honey and mustard honey, and there is one pani pool honey, they call it, which is again by the riverside. So that's one layer. We have these black turmeric. The signs of this, it has beautiful flowers, and we see the vetiver and black turmeric and lemon and subabul, and interspersed with we can see some of the brilliant papaya, desi papaya. Everything is no hybrid, no nothing, no Taiwani GM, nothing. Bring life back to soil. Everything will change. Stop tilling. So we see the moringa, 2 years old. It's one of already the West also now knows that it's a superfood. You eat the leaves of this tree in whichever form, either in the powdered form or fresh in your khichdi or anything. The children would not be malnourished. The women who die in our country because of lack of hemoglobin while giving childbirth, because this is so rich in iron that if you consume this for a month, your hemoglobin will be fine. This is something which is so tangible that anyone can check it. And available, it has 18 amino acid, all 9 essential amino acid in this. So it's a superfood. And above all, this vitamin C, it has 7 times more vitamin C than the orange. And we also 18 amino acid, 92 antioxidants. So, and when grown in such a condition, so the power of that moringa, one more thing which I wanted to say, because there are so many people who are selling moringa powder. So how is our moringa any different than others? One, it is grown in such pristine condition. Two, we do not cut the head of the tree because we believe that the trees have life. So if the trees have life and you cut the head of the tree, what nutrition and what value will you get out of that? So this is the solution for our IPCC report. India can become the leader in reversing global warming if the farmers start practicing this. Even 10% of our country, of our arable land, because we are the second largest arable land in the country, in the world. So productivity is much higher, quality is most superior. Nobody can grow things better than this. Somebody can grow it as good as this. For that, we show you some of these black turmeric and the lacadong turmeric. So see how magnificent they have become. It's almost my height, almost 5, 10, 11, some taller than me, 6 feet. So the pink pepper and the moringa. So and besides you see the Gandharaj lemon, again very good for gut bacteria. So they grow together. One grows above, they're barely 2 years old, in its 3rd year, and so much of productivity inside this soil. Turmeric, above that vetiver, interspersed with the tuar, which fixes nitrogen, moringa and pink pepper, moringa, beneath that citrus. Each one of them the best in its category for health and for soil health, since we have stopped tilling. By tilling, what we are doing is that agriculture is one of the biggest polluter today, because it is emitting the carbon into the atmosphere. Whereas by no tilling, we can reverse this. We can sink the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into the soil. Just imagine if we are able to make this as a movement, and the best huge jump in productivity. The same land can support 5 layers of plants, biodiversity. Add the apiary, 6th layer. See so much of carbon sink happening. Measure it and go to the corporates, ask them to give you carbon credit. And in case if you want to save Mother Earth, you would have to do that. There is just no option. And so this is the Surpankha, which is again is very medicinal, and it treats diabetes. We also have lots of insulin plant. We have this again, fixes nitrogen, and also very good medicinal property. So this is so full of nutrition, health for soil, health for Mother Earth, highly productive. Combine it with the compressed biogas, which is the current government's very right decision to produce clean fuel. To double farmers' income, you can quadruple farmers' income. India can become the food basket for the rest of the world, and this is the future. As I say, practice this or perish. Thank you. This is 2 years old farm.